Hello students, so welcome back to our Try Abacus learning, which is a part of Try Math learning. Okay, so in this session, this is an introduction video for our abacus learning. So here in this session, we will be learning what is an abacus and why is it so important in the upcoming days. Why is everyone so crazy about learning abacus? So as a math teacher, I would recommend to learn everyone, that is the students who are in grade 4 to grade 7. It will be very useful because at this age we feel a fear of mathematics. And what abacus does? Yes, it improves your concentration, it improves your memory power, and it enhances your potential. So you feel so confidence in attending all the competitive exams or whatever the quiz or exams which are conducted in your schools. So it will give you such a boost up and it will be very fun to learn the abacus. So you are learning something new, you are getting out of your fear with a playway method only, because abacus is using a tool and the fingering method and visualization. When children visualize the numbers in their imagination and do all the basic operations, you will be amazed. Okay, so you are going to be such a wonderful child. So remove all your maths fear. So here is our first video of abacus. Okay, so here in this session we will be learning what is an abacus and what are the importance of abacus along with the tool. So before the starting the class, we should know how the tool is and how to be is used. Okay, so let's move on, get into the video. Before learning abacus, we should know what is abacus. So an abacus is the first counting device. Okay. So it is nowadays it is used for all the basic operations can be performed on abacus kit, like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, it is just replacing our calculators. It helps you to do the calculation manually. Okay, so we are doing mental calculations here. So that is why it is important. Now let's see some interesting facts about abacus. So here abacus came from the Greek word abax, which means calculating the table. So first time the it was recorded of abacus of from drawing 14th century. A lot of people in Russia and China are still using. Nowadays in India also abacus is very familiar and it is used for addition and subtraction especially. Then why does abacus exist? What is the importance? So earlier we used the counting device, the hand. We did not have any devices like calculators or computers or laptops. So it was only the hand and the fingers which were used. So abacus was of great help when it was invented. So it is a tool which was used for counting purpose. Now, different types of abaci or abacus you can see. So, how the Russians, Japanese, Chinese, and the Roman people use. So, now which we are using is the Japanese style, okay, that is called as Sorbonne. So, this will have an abacus kit. So, the kit is the same, but it is named differently in different countries. So, here in India, we are using Sorbonne, that is the abacus kit. Now, what are the benefits of learning abacus? Everyone is saying nowadays abacus, but what is the importance? Without any importance of the course, there is no use in learning. Am I right? So, let's see the benefits of abacus. So, here it gives us the mental arithmetic skill, boost the confidence in the child. It improves the visualization skill and it improves the concentration power. It gives lot of confidence actually, improves your imaginary skill. Then it is actually creating the brain development. If you see, it is a 360-degree brain development. It generates the self confidence and improves proficiency. So there are lot and lot of benefits As you can see in the picture, it has n number of importance, but which we don't use it. So now people are getting more used to the benefits of abacus, and they have started learning it, and they are teaching their kids also. So as a math teacher, I would recommend everyone to learn abacus. So here you can see the functions of brain. So here the brain is divided into left brain and right brain, and see what are the functions, what are the working the left brain is doing and the right brain. So the left brain does the written skill, maths and scientific skills. Parts of abacus when you're talking. So here you can see the abacus tool kit. The beads in the above are called the upper beads, and the beads which are lying lower are just called as the lower beads. And there is a bar or rod in between them. So totally there are 17 rods, and each of the rod has 5 beads in it. So this is the abacus kit which we will be using for the calculation and doing the addition. Now, actually, this is the real picture of the abacus which we are going to use in the upcoming videos. So, the abacus kit would look like this with the frame. And what is the importance of mental arithmetic? So, mental arithmetic is a term which is used in the abacus for the calculation. So, all the calculations are here done in the mind itself. Now, this is the importance of abacus. We teach fingering system, the speed of fingering system. So, it helps you to improve very fast in your academics also. So, the course structure is like this. Total, there are 8 to 10 levels, and courses duration is 3 months. The session will be held twice a week. Those who want to get the certification, do join the online course. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe to the Try Abacus Learning. Okay students, I hope you enjoyed this introduction video, and all the upcoming videos based on level 1 would be entirely free. So this is a good news for you. Okay, so you can just learn, have fun learning abacus. The level 1 is entirely free, and the videos will be available freely only for the subscribers. Okay, so do subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Have a nice day.